Hi, I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. He's been a plumber for 48 years, and you are very smart to be tuning in this channel because he provides a lot of unbiased, no nonsense, no BS plumbing advice based on his years of experience. It's helped my wife and I save tens of thousands of dollars on our home.
Well, I'd like to talk about, first off, I don't know if you know I'm retired. But I'm enjoying doing this, and I enjoy your questions I get a lot of times, especially about water heaters, about toilets, all kinds of things. I get a lot of questions, sewer gas smells and stuff, and I really enjoy answering those questions. But people would like me to be like on a job site showing what's going on. No, I did that for 48 years. Guess what? I'm enjoying life, and I'm doing this because it's a lot of fun, and I want people to, my knowledge. I might not know everything. I might not do it, like every plumber does it, but I'll tell you what, it'd be a lot easier the way I do it and a lot cheaper. So, I hope you enjoy it.
And thanks so much for watching.
Thank you. Have a good day, and if you don't believe what I say, ask your priest.